What's up, Dan's quick update video. What is happening here with Bitcoin? And I want to speak with you. Bitcoin is in a consolidation, right? But I want to watch with you again about the Wyckoff logic theory. So let's go quickly together through it. So let us watch quickly on the daily, right? We watch quickly on the daily what is happening here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a consolidation. We still have this bear flag, right? What is this? We still have this bear flag, right? Which you see, the technical price target of this bear flag is still around 20,000, between 17,000 and 20,000. And if we break around 27,900 or even 28,700 with the daily candle closing below, then we can confirm a breakthrough this bear flag and expecting this lower levels, right? But I want to show you this Wyckoff logic, right? Just a theory. It's not a guarantee it's working out or something like that. I just wanted to show you because if in the theory, so Wyckoff logic looks like this. Look, so we create a lower low, right? We create a bottom, then we see a pump, right? We see a AR point, then we see a ST point, then we create a new higher high, a local higher high, but then we create a new lower low, which is lower than our previous low, so a C point, right? After the C point, we see a huge pump, right? We see a huge pump, which is below our higher high here, but higher than our AR point. And after it, when here everybody cries to the moon, we see even a bigger dump, which is even lower than our previous two lows, you see, right? And after it began the spring, and we see Bitcoin pumping to the moon, right? So then the phase CD. In my theory, and this is only theory, please, it's not a guarantee or something like that. You told we are here, blah, blah. No, guys, it's only theory, and just I wanted to show you and just make a familiar, how it called, with this theory. So in my theory, we are here at the C point, not in the Wyckoff theory. We create the C point, then we had a ST point, right? You see, we had a higher high. After it, we saw dump. We create ST point, right? And then we create a new higher high. And after it, we saw dump below our previous low. So right now, what is very interesting to see. I make it a little bit longer here, the line, because then you see it better. Wait a minute. Precisely like this. Okay. So right now, what is very interesting, and you know what is very interesting, and when we will see high volatility is, guys, please be not impatient. You have to be patient in trading. I expecting a high volatility at the latest tomorrow, because tomorrow they will present inflation rate, so CPI numbers, right? And if the inflation is higher than expected, we will see huge dump to the downside. If the inflation will be lower than expected, then we'll see huge pump. And if the inflation will be lower than expected, right, and we see huge pump, then in my opinion it's very interesting. Will we see here pump below our previous local high at 48,000, but above our higher high before at 45,800, so something below 45,800 and 48,000, right? So will we see something like that? We will see like a crazy pump to I don't know, 47,800 or something, like what is below 48,000, so below 48,000 and below here our 45,000, right? This is what it's very interesting, because if it will be like that, if we see tomorrow will be positive inflation rate number, so the inflation rate will be lower than expected, then, and if we see pump to 47,000, then we can see we are clear in the phase B, and after theoretically we have to create even a new lower low, right? Which would be a new lower low, and after it we will see a huge pump. So this is the theory about the Wyckoff pattern. So we create a new higher high, which is not higher than our previous high, right? But it would be pumped to around 47,000. After it, we see huge dump, which is even lower than our previous lows. And I, by the way, would win my bet against Jamie, because he says 26,500 bottom. I'm very sure it's not the bottom, but it's still not a guarantee. And after the spring, we see then a huge pump. Then we know we are in the, if we create a new lower low, then we know we are in a C phase. So in the C phase, but we have to create, we have to see before a huge pump, right? So this is the theory about the Wyckoff accumulation theory. So please write me down below if you understand what I wrote, what I explained to you. And now let's jump into immediate short term, what is happening in the immediate short term with Bitcoin. So guys, like I told you, at latest I expecting a pump or a dump, high volatility tomorrow when the inflation numbers will be presented, right? But let us watch still where are our entries positioned. So in my opinion, we are watching on the 4 hourly. Still the entry position, if we break above 30,600 with a clear 15-minute candle, at least with a clear pump, with the clear, where is it, blood? Here. With the clear pump, with the clear volume, then we can long Bitcoin here, right? So the price target, it's not financial advice. Please do your own research, guys. So if we break above 30,600, the first price target is 31,100. It's 1.7%. The second price target would be 31,500. The third price target 31,800. The fourth price target 32,000. Right. So unless we don't break 32,000, I'm not getting super bullish. This is what we can take advantage of even in small pumps or dumps, right? So if we break 30,600, we can long to 31,100, after it to 31,500, then to 31,100, 800, and then to 32,000, right? When we can short we can, if we break below our 4 hourly EMA ribbon, which would be around 30,000, I would say 30,250, with a clear 15-minute candle or a 1 hourly candle, then we can short down, which are here the price targets. I tell you, the first price target would be around 29,555. I would take even profits. I would even take profits a little bit before, maybe 29,600. But first price target 29,500 is 2.3%. The second price target, I have to zoom out to show you the resistance again. So wait, where was this? This was so around here. So the second price target would be obviously at 29,000, right? Because 29,000, you see here a lot of support and resistance here. Previous 29,000, then the next price target would be around 28,600, right? Because you see here a lot of support, you see support, and the next price target would be around 28,300, 28,200, because you see here a lot of support and resistance. After, the next price target would be obviously at 27,500. It's not much support here, but it's obviously a psychology border, and after it I would say 26,500. So it's 12% 10x 120%, 5x 60%. If we see down, please take profits constantly on this price, our price targets, and move your stop loss to your entry. So if we see pump, for example, in a short position, we got liquidated at our entry position, so we don't lose any money, and we saved our money because we took profits. The same if we see pump. So very clear, guys, here to everyone who is new to our community, guys, go right now, link is down below. You get at Bybit 4,620 bonus. It's usually $400, so through my link you get 4,620 after initial deposit, and on Bybit you get 30 days zero maker fee. Go take your bonus right now. It costs you 30 seconds. Link is down below, guys. Now let us quickly watch on the S&P 500. So S&P 500 in the futures is pumping 41.25. We closed yesterday at 41.500. So it means we are again above 4 hourly EMA ribbon, and we are retesting the whole time. You see, it's also S&P 500 is like a stable coin. So as long as we're not breaking this 4 hourly EMA ribbon at S&P 500 clearly down, I don't expect crypto dumping also. Because if S&P 500 go below, clearly below 4-hourly EMA ribbon, then I'm expecting huge dump in S&P 500 and a huge dump in the crypto market. Watch S&P 500, very important. They are connected with each other. If we see pump in S&P 500, Bitcoin pump and crypto pump. If S&P 500 dump, also crypto dump. So right now it's pumping in the future. So if it will still be like this, then the market will open with a pump, right? So 9:30 will the stock market open. Watch right now this. Then quickly for Ethereum fans and quickly for Solana fans, guys, wait a minute. I make it very fast, so I don't want to waste here your too much time and also not my time. So if Bitcoin pump, first price tag 1,850, second price tag 1,900, 5.3%, 10x average 53%, 5x average 25%. If Bitcoin dumps, 10x average 1,750 first price tag, second price tag 1,720, 5.2%, also 10x average 52%. Also Ethereum, you can buy short, long, or just on spot on Bybit. Link is down below, guys. Now quick watch on Solana, because I have a lot of Solana fans who commented. Guys, if you have any questions, write me also down below. Oh, we see Solana pumping. We reached, by the way, our price target 40,500 clearly when we saw Bitcoin pump. So what are we expecting right now? So, it's very interesting. We are breaking above the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. If we are closing clearly above 4-hourly EMA ribbon and Bitcoin will still dump, I expecting also that we dumping below 4-hourly EMA ribbon and go to $38.50. It's Solana right now what we are watching. The first price $38,050, $38.50, and the second would be around $36.20. It's 13%, 10x average 130%, 5x average 65%. Take profits here also at $38.50. Very important. If Bitcoin will dump, if Bitcoin will pump, then I'm expecting also Solana pumping to at least the level of $44 or $43.90. I would say take profits before. It's 5.6%, 10x average 56%. 56%. Solana you can long, short, or buying on spot also on Bybit, $4,620 for free after initial deposit and 30 days zero maker fee. Link is down below, guys. And you know, to everyone who's trading through my link, I choose randomly in front of your eyes here at end of June to someone who is getting $2,000 worth in Bitcoin. Imagine 5 years Bitcoin will do 10x and it's even $20,000. So to everyone who's trading through my link is down below. 30 seconds registration, guys, on Bybit. If you have any questions, write me down below. What do you think about the Wyckoff logic? I think it's very valuable information. But however, do your own research. Please, everything, do your own research. In my opinion, it's very clear what to do. If you break above 30,600, we can, with the clear 15-minute candle, with the clear volume, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. If we break below 4-hourly EMA ribbon with the clear 15-minute candle, with the clear 1-hourly candle, with the clear selling volume, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. The price targets, you know. If you forgot, watch the video. And if you have any questions, write me down below and kiss you and see you later. Mwah.